Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading about love or romantic situation. Just take what resonates for you at wag ipilit itugma kung hindi para sa'yo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates. Maraming salamat sa'yo, Libra. Tingnan natin paano yung energy ng person mo towards you. How does this person feel about you, Libra? Libra, ano yung energy ng person mo towards you? How does your person feel about you? Okay. Parang naalala ka ng person mo, Libra. Merong connection, no? Malalim na connection sa inyong relationship. Okay. Libra, but you don't want, parang ayaw mo na ng stress sa inyong situation. Yeah, you want to get out from a situation na mahirap, no? Parang burden para sa'yo, nakaka-stress. Okay. Okay. Tingnan natin, you might be dealing with a Virgo, Aquarius, Cancer, Libra also, Sagittarius, Pisces. Merong energy na someone is heartbroken or disappointed in a situation. Okay. Maybe your person is deeply affected in the situation. Kailangan niya ng yung parang hindi siya feel secure emotionally. Okay? Or spiritually. Hindi siya secured sa kanyang situation. Okay? But he or she is trying yung best niya na lumabas sa ganitong situation. Your person wants you to communicate with them. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo. Or this person is infatuated sa inyo. Naalala mo yung person na to. Okay? But it feels na parang hindi pa ganun ka-open. Hindi ganun ka-open ang relationship or yung inyong connection when it comes to communication. Okay, for some of you. Merong waiting na nangyayari. Meron ding pride and ego at the same time. Okay. Tingnan natin. Let's see. Tingnan natin. The Magician. Ano to? Seven of Wands. Page of Cups. Deep inside, your person wants to communicate with you. Parang gusto niya magparamdam ka. But at the same time, parang pinapakita niya that they don't need you or Parang, at the same time, parang defensive, no? In the situation. Okay? Yeah. Parang pinoprotektahan ng person mo ang sarili niya, yung energy niya from you. But he or she is manifesting at the same time na lumapit ka sa kanya or suyuin mo siya, makipag-communicate, okay? Something like that. The moon. Your person is manifesting you. There is parang malalim siguro yung samahan or yung relationship ninyong dalawa. Okay. Merong something na kailangan yung kailangan ma-illuminate. Okay? Ten of Wands. Okay? Merong imbalance, no, sa situation ng person mo, most especially spiritually. Okay? Parang hindi siya kampante sa kanyang situation, parang may bumapagapag sa kanya. Six of Cups. Yeah, about sa past niya. Okay. Pero parang may bumapagapag sa kanya. Parang hindi niya makalimutan kung anong nangyari sa kanya in the past or recent past. Okay. It's like parang may burden, no, na nangyari. Sitwasyon na mahirap. Okay. Maybe nagkaroon ng challenge or trials ang inyong relationship. And your person cannot get over it, no? Hindi makalimutan ng person ninyo. Okay. Eight of Wands. Tingnan natin. Ano to? Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Eight of Wands. Nine of Pentacles. Maybe your person is waiting for you to communicate with them, no? After such tingnan natin, wait lang. Yeah, nag-aantay siya. Parang matagal din siya siguro nag-aantay sa inyo, no? Waiting for you to communicate with them, to express that you want to continue or you want to grow the relationship. Okay? Yeah, your person is expecting from you, Libra. Yeah, the Empress. Oops. King of Swords. Okay. Your person, parang gustong malaman ng person mo or gusto niya na mag-communicate ka sa kanya. Discussing about someone. Okay? The Empress. He or she or yung person mo wants some truth about a certain person, no? A certain person in your life. A mother. Okay. Yeah. Also, parang yung person mo gusto makipag-communicate sa inyo, pero parang at the same time, nire-resist niya din, no? Parang nire-resist niya din na siya yung mag-take ng unang action towards you or mag-take ng initiative. Okay? Parang merong manipulation sa sitwasyon. Okay? Sort of. Tingnan natin, 10 of Wands. Queen of Cups and the 10 of Wands. Okay. You love this person, pero yeah, it takes a lot of work, no? Para makuha mo yung trust ng tao na to or ng person na to. Okay? Parang kailangan mo you have to work hard para ma-earn mo uli yung trust ng person na to. You feel na parang nahihirapan ka. Okay? Nasa-stress ka sa situation na to. You feel burdened. Okay? Okay, Temperance, tingnan natin. For some of you, you are dealing with a Sagittarius, Cancer, Libra, Pisces, Virgo, Aquarius, the Hierophant. Okay, Taurus for some of you. You are being patient, no? With this person, Libra. Okay. Maybe your person also is expecting you a commitment. Okay. But you are taking your time to commit or to get married for some of you. Okay. The Emperor. Yeah. For some of you, you are waiting for someone, no? Someone, maybe also you are dealing with an Aries, okay? Taurus. You want to balance a situation. You want a harmonious relationship with this person, Libra. For some of you, the Judgment, okay? You want to express that you love this person, okay? Well, you love this person, but you cannot express it. For some of you, it's like parang merong restriction. Okay. The Star. Yeah, you want to succeed, no, with this person. Okay. Okay, for some of you, Libra, you want to heal your situation with this person. Okay? Gusto mo maging maayos kung ano man yung naging problema mo. Gusto mo ng balance and harmony. Okay? Parang you don't want to dwell in that situation, Libra. Yeah. Page of Cups. You are focusing on your work, no, on yourself, no, developing yourself further because nasi-stress ka for some of you in your love relationship. Okay. Page of Cups, tingnan natin. Ano to? Four of Pentacles. Okay, naiisip mo yung tao na to, but at the same time, Parang nag-hold back ka, okay? Parang hindi mo pinapakita. Okay, you're not taking action towards this person for some of you. You're holding back. Yeah. Okay. Parang naalala mo, you're dreaming about this person, naalala mo siya, you're thinking about the possibilities, no? Or maybe communicating with them, but then at the same time, you are also holding back, no? Yeah. Well, you wish to win this person back for some of you, but you are not taking action. Okay. Yeah. Nine of Pentacles. Ano natin? Oh. Self-respect. Yeah, Ace of Wands. Yeah, you love this person. Okay, you want a new beginning with this person or growth, but at the same time, you need to make action if you really want to be with this person, Libra. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are maintaining to be independent, no? Or single. And there is someone new in your life. Okay? I think this is the challenge in your situation. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Four of Cups. Queen of Pentacles. Okay. So, Libra, for some of you, you are starting your own, parang separate life, or parang magkaiba kayo ng sitwasyon, but yung person mo is parang hindi ka pa rin niya nakakalimutan because parang meron kayong malalim na pinagsamahan, no? At deep bonding, spiritually. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, merong panghihinayang in the situation. Yeah. Merong missed opportunity na energy in the situation. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are already starting a new relationship. You are independent from this person. Okay? And you are starting a new beginning with another person. And there is a missed opportunity. Okay? Yeah. Alright? Tingnan natin. Hidden truths sa situation ninyo from both of you. Hidden truths. parang merong panghihinayang, no, in the situation. It's like you were supposed to be engaged, no? Parang may new beginning sa inyong dalawa, commitment, solid, okay? But then, may something na nangyari, challenges in the situation about a certain person, no? Yeah. Kaya nagkaroon ng missed opportunity sa inyong connection. Tingnan natin. Hidden truths from both of you. I know I mess up everything. Okay. Yeah. I love you. Okay. May totoong love, no, sa inyong relationship. Deep bonding, spiritual. Okay. Malalim na samahan or na relationship. And then, I lost myself for a little while. For a little while. Okay. Tingnan natin. Oops. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. But these are the energy. Minsan baliktad yung situation. Let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims. It simply allows and gives. Some messages for you, Libra. When you pass from this world, you take nothing with you but your soul and the memories you have shared with those you love. Okay? So, these are the messages for you. All the best. Good luck sa inyong relationship. Okay? Maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!